Let's start with a simple picture. Imagine a drone flying over a disaster area. Roads are broken, networks are down, but sensors on the ground are still collecting critical data. Temperature, damage, safety signals. Now here's the big question. How does that drone decide when to move and when it's smarter to just stop and wait? That's exactly what today's research is all about. In this episode, we're talking about unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, acting as something called data mules. Their job is simple in theory: fly around and collect data from ground sensors. But in the real world, it's not that easy. Wireless signals go up and down, buildings, terrain, even the drone's movement can weaken a connection. Many drones today follow a basic rule: always connect to the strongest signal. Sounds smart, right? But the research shows this actually causes problems. The drone keeps switching between sensors, wasting time and energy, and sometimes never fully collecting the data it needs. So the researchers asked a smarter question. What if the drone didn't rush? They introduced a strategy where the drone hovers when the connection is good. Instead of chasing signals, it waits, downloads data steadily, and only moves when it makes sense. Think of it like having strong Wi-Fi in one room of your house. You don't walk around looking for a slightly better signal, you sit down and finish what you're doing. This approach helps the drone collect more data, move less, and work more reliably, especially in real-world conditions, not just simulations. The team tested this idea not only in computer models, but also with real drones flying in real environments. And the result? Hovering at the right moment beats constant movement. This matters for emergency response, environmental monitoring, smart cities, and future wireless networks. It shows that simple, smarter decisions can make autonomous systems far more reliable. Sometimes intelligence isn't about speed, it's about timing. So here's something to think about as we wrap up today's episode. As drones become more autonomous, should they move faster? Or should they learn when staying still is the smartest choice? That's it for this episode of the R&D Lab from Engisphere. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time, back inside the lab.